Alright YouTube, so if you guys are here, you're probably coming from our 12-hour shift part 1 video. Now if you haven't seen that, I'll link it up here. Make sure you check that part out before you do part 2, so you're all caught up. So without further ado, let's hop right where we left off. Earlier today, so we're gonna head over there. It's like $5 for like 2 miles, but we're staying in like a hot spot, so to say. So we're not. Well, as soon as we drop that off, we'll be getting on more orders, so it should take us like 10 minutes. So we're gonna head over there, pick it up, and then drop it off. All right, guys. So picked up the Chick-fil-A. We're headed over. I'm pretty sure it's Dick's Sporting Goods again. So I think these guys are just one got Chick-fil-A and the other guys saw it and got hungry, so they're just ordering more. But yeah, I'm on my way to drop it off, and we're like literally 3 minutes away. Hit those green lights, probably. Yeah, done. All right, I'll let you guys know when we get there, see if we get any. I don't think we'll get a tip, just because I think the guys that are working there are the same age as me, and they probably don't have a ton of cash to spend. But I understand, you know what I mean. Do a favor for some people. Might as well, because I don't got a whole lot of orders right now. I guess we can do my hourly check. We're about to hit 4 o'clock. Body's feeling a little hungry. We're about to cross over 100 miles on the day. Yeah, I might eat something here in a second after I drop this off, but we're staying pretty busy, so surprisingly more than I thought we would. But yeah, I'm like actually like right here, so that shows you how fast or how close we were from the restaurant. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna drop this off, and I'll let you guys know what the plan is after this order. So I'll see you after I get this done. All right, so we just dropped off that Chick-fil-A order to the guy at Dick's. Super easy drop off. The guy was like right in the front, so I just gave it to him. But we got like 3 orders. We got like an 11 for 10 miles. I declined that because that's too far, not enough pay. And then I got like a 6 for 5 miles, and I debated that one. That was a Walmart order, so it had potential for tip, but I declined that. And then immediately I got like a 7 for 2. So I think the 7 for 2 is gonna be pretty, $7 for 2 miles. So I think that's gonna be probably the best option out of the 3 of them I got right there. So we're gonna head over there and pick it up. It shouldn't take super long. It's right over here across the street. So I'll let you guys know once we pick this up, and probably drop it off, just so you guys don't get super bored. So see you guys soon. All right, so we just dropped off that order to Jacob. He was ready to go right at the door. It was super awesome, nice guy. And now we're headed over to pick up a Chipotle. We had 2 offers in a very short amount of time, so I'm thinking that it's like 4 o'clock right now, but the dinner rush has already started. So one order was 54th Street, and it was like $12, and I was like, oh sweet. And then I saw it was like 18 miles away, so I declined that. It's too far. And then I got a Chipotle for like 10 for like 8, and it wasn't quite so like out of like the zone. And you know what, so I went ahead and accepted it. I know that if I wanted to, I could probably cherry pick a little bit better and get a better offer, but you know what, it is what it is. It's not a terrible offer, so I'm gonna pick it up. And yeah, so I did eat all of my food. I have no more food left. I got some water. I have $10 of cash. That's all I have, and I might get some food. I'm really starting to feel hungry. And for those of you guys that know, I don't think I've ever bought food when I was dashing. I know Chipotle gives out free tortillas, so I might ask for one over there. That'd be sweet. But yeah, we're headed over there right now. Body's feeling better now that I ate, but I don't know how I'm gonna be feeling here in a couple hours when I get hungry. So yeah. All right, so we're walking out of the Chipotle. We got the Chipotle they had it already, which kind of sucks because I wanted a free tortilla, but you know what, beggars can't be choosers. So I'm gonna go drop this off, and maybe we can get another Chipotle later. They'll give us tortillas. We'll see. Your boy is starting to get hungry, you know. I'm an 18-year-old kid, so I do eat every like 10 minutes. So this last second half, I guess you could say, of the shift might be a painful one, but you know what, we're gonna fight through it. All right guys, so we dropped that off. I missed one turn, which kind of sucked, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. We're headed back. We did do over $1, or less than $2 a mile. And usually that's my rule. That's what I try to shoot for. But hopefully we can get a order on the way back and make it well worth it. So, yeah. So we're heading on our way back into our zone-ish area, and we got ourselves another order from Chipotle. So hopefully, okay, I hate to say this, guys, but like hopefully they're a little busy so they can give me a tortilla. But yeah, we're headed over there. It's like $8 for 6 miles, and the drop-off's like right in our location anyway. So it's a pretty good order for us. So we're gonna head over there and pick it up. We're not too far away, so I'll probably let you guys know when we drop this off, unless I get a tortilla. So we'll see. So I dropped off that Chipotle, and I actually had a Buffalo Wild Wings add-on later, and we drive right past it. So I accepted that. Might as well. It's going up a little farther north from here, and then I just got another add-on, so I guess another stacked order from Granite City, which is basically right across, like they share a parking lot with Buffalo Wild Wings. So I'm gonna go in there, pick those two up, and then drop these two off. So we are definitely hitting the rush now. It's like 5 o'clock right now, so I guess we'll get my hourly breakdown. We're at 120 miles in the car. I'm not feeling super hungry right now because I did just eat a little bit ago, but you can literally hit me any minute. But yeah, so we have used that. This is one thing I don't like, is like 120 miles. That's quite a bit, but I still feel like we're going pretty strong. You know, what is it? We've been 7 hours in, so we're getting towards the end. We're over halfway. So yeah, I'm headed over to pick these two orders up and get ourselves a nice little stacked order. We picked up both the Granite City and the Buffalo Wild Wings. Literally, Granite City's just right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm in the Buffalo Wild Wings parking lot. So it wasn't too far. I just walked over there and picked it up. Now I'll let you guys know when we drop both these off, and yeah, so shouldn't be super long. All right, so we just dropped off the two orders. We're in peak pay now, so that's pretty good. We got a couple extra bucks, but we are headed back to the zone. We have a shift at 5:30. It's currently 5:28. So hopefully we make it back in time without getting kicked off our shift. We shouldn't have a problem too bad. But our next shift is 5:30 to like midnight, so we'll probably be ending that early because I'm going to be tired. Yeah, it's like 5:30 right now. We got another 30 minutes to my hourly update, but you know what? Might as well just do it right now. I feel pretty good. We're at 130 miles on the car with a miles per gallon average of 33 right now, so that's still pretty good. We've been pretty busy all afternoon, so that's still going pretty good. I've completely lost the total from what we have, just because I've had so many dash shifts end, so I'm not quite sure, but we should be around $100 hopefully, and then maybe we can make another 100 tonight, or I don't know. I really have no idea where we're at, but I know we're not doing terrible, so we're gonna head back and get back online with DOORDASH, and we'll see how tonight goes. Next order, Chipotle, $6, 3 miles. Let's go get it. All right, guys, so we just picked up the Chipotle and we're walking it back to our car now. And they gave us an extra tortilla, so my night has been made. Now whatever we get on top, or whatever we get tonight, is just icing on the cake. Dropped off that food, and now we're waiting for our next order. We're still in peak pay, so that's sweet. But yeah, so I'm feeling a lot better. We're around 135 miles total. Kind of a lot, but I don't know. We're doing all right. Still hanging in there. Getting a little tired though. Other than that, we're just chilling. So I'll let you guys know when we get our next order. All right, guys. So it's been about 10 or so minutes since we dropped off that Chipotle. We didn't get any offers. We got one offer in that time, and I accepted it. It's a Walmart offer. It's like $1 a mile. It's like a little more. It's like 8.7, and we're getting like 8.84. So, but I'm hoping because those are the ones that you can get tips on. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over there and pretty much hope for like a tip, because those are, you can now tip 15 days after the grocery delivery. So I didn't really have anything else going through, and I think it's because there's a lot of dashers out probably right now. But yeah, we're headed over there. Traffic's getting a little rough. But other than that, I'm hanging in there. So I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I feel like we made pretty good money so far for our expenses at least. So I will see you guys when I get there. So I just picked up that Walmart order. It's like 115 groceries, and as I'm sitting there waiting for it, I get another order from Walmart. I'm like, sweet. And it's the same order, same person, Susie, same address. It's the same person, basically. She submitted the order twice. The guy came out to give me the groceries, and I was like, hey, I got 2 orders. Did she order like the same thing twice or what? She's like, yeah. He was like, yeah, they canceled one of them. But so I didn't know what to do, so it didn't cancel on my end, so I accepted both of them, and I picked up both of them, apparently. So I guess when I get there, I'm getting double the pay. I don't really know how this works. I guess we'll find out, but I thought I might mention that for you guys, because I don't know. Comment down below if you ever had anything like that happen to you, because that was really weird. But yeah, so we're quite a bit of ways. I think I missed a turn, so we're gonna head over and drop this off. Hopefully we get a good tip. Super starting to get a little busy, so yeah. Okay guys, so we dropped off that order, and we got both of them signed. Both of them went through, and we got paid for both of them, so I don't know what happened, so that was kind of weird. But anyway, we're on our way back to our zone to see if we can get more orders to finish out the night. It's around 7 o'clock almost. It's like 6:45, so hourly update, I guess I'm doing a lot better than I was a few hours ago. I'm not super hungry. We'll just see where that goes. We're at 150 miles in the car. Average gas miles, or average miles per gallon, are right around 33, so going down a little bit, but it's still pretty good, I feel like. So we're hanging in there. We were pretty busy, but then peak pay happened, and I think a lot of dashers got online, so that kind of sucks, but I think there's still enough to go around. So we're gonna head back out to the zone, or closer to where all the restaurants are, and we're gonna see how we can do. All right guys, so I am a little scared. I just accepted a 54th Street, and it's Saturday night. If you guys are around here, you know 54th Street is usually pretty packed around this time, on Saturdays. So it's like $9 for like 2 miles, so it might be too good to be true, but we'll see. I mean, I can do a little bit of waiting. I mean, orders aren't just exactly flowing in right now, so I'll take it. So we're gonna head over there and pick it up, and I'll let you guys know when we get it dropped off. All right guys, so we dropped off that to Matthew. I am starting to feel it a little bit, getting a little tired. We got like 10 bucks for that, so that's sweet. We're gonna head back to our hotspot and keep on moving. We just went on the way down to the hotspot. We got a few orders, none of them super great, but we accepted a Chipotle for $7, and it's about a 4-mile trip, so hopefully we get some tip or something out of that. But we're headed over there to pick it up right now. Just picked up the Chipotle, had to drop it off. All right guys, so we just dropped off the Chipotle, $7, not super difficult. We are getting a ton of Postmates right now, so if we get a good Postmates, we might pause DoorDash for a second and drop that Postmates off, because Postmates, for those of you guys that don't know, tip on the percentage, and if we get a really heavy, like really high order Postmates, like a $50 order, yeah, we might go ahead and take that, because we get higher tips. But I'll let you guys know when I accept my next order. All right guys, so we did accept a Postmates from Red Robin, which I know is not the craziest expensive place, but it's also not the craziest cheapest place either. They got like 4 or 5 items, so hopefully it's around $40, and we get like a nice little tip out of that. We'll have to see when we get there. Maybe we can get a stack. That's what I'm really looking for here. I'm really looking for another DoorDash stack on top of it. So I'll let you guys know, and we'll see you in the next one. All right guys, so I took a DoorDash stack actually. This is a little bit of a questionable stack. Go ahead. It's like a 2-mile opposite direction, but it's near the highway, so I'm gonna head over, basically I'm going to go the wrong direction, but it's right near the highway, so I'm gonna drop it off, hop on the highway, and then drive down to where I need to drop off the Postmates. So that's what we're doing right now. We'll see how it goes. We might be a little late, but you know what? You live and you learn. Kind of just testing this out real quick as well, so we'll see. All right guys, so we just dropped off this order this to Shirley, and when I was in Red Robin, the order actually was like $38 and some change, so hopefully we get a pretty good little tip out of that. So yeah, so we're gonna head back to our hotspot. We still got a couple hours left. You know, I am pretty hungry and pretty tired. I guess it is like 8 o'clock right now, so I can do my hourly update, but I'm pretty tired. 175 miles on the car. Yeah, we're still trucking along, but staying busy as well. So I'll let you guys know when we get our next order. So, all right guys, so it is like 8:30. I just spent like about 20 minutes in this parking lot waiting for an order. I almost fell asleep, bro. Guys, I'm getting tired. Anyway, it's like a $10 order for 6 miles or something like that. It's probably the best I'm gonna get right now. So I went ahead and accepted it. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna go get this 54th Street. Man, I am tired. I was just like almost fell asleep waiting in the parking lot. I waited like 20 minutes for a solid order and eyes were heavy. So hopefully I gotta wake myself up a little bit so I can drive, but we're gonna pick this up and we're gonna get it dropped off. All right guys, so we just dropped off that order to Alex. Pretty easy, he was right there for us. My motor skills, I feel like, are just not where they need to be. I can't even talk, as you can see. Not where they need to be. I think I'm getting pretty tired. I'm very hungry. It's past 9 o'clock now, so I'm almost at 200 miles in my car in one day. It's crazy. 33 miles per gallon, which is awesome. But we are headed back, probably get one more order, and then that'll close this shift off. So hopefully we can get a quick easy one near my house, get it done, which kind of sucks because right now I'm a similar location. I'm near my house, kind of, but we got to finish this off right, so that's what we're going to be doing. All right guys, so I got another 975 Papa John's, and we're dropping it off kind of near my house, so this kind of works out perfectly. It's like 9:20 right now, so by the time we get this order done, it'll be about around 9:40, 10 o'clock, and we started at 9:40 this morning, so it's 12 hours. So hopefully it's 10 o'clock, but we'll see. I think definitely my last order. It's kind of dangerous for me to be driving right now, to be honest, but I just gotta stay focused. So yeah, we go pick this up. We're like 2 minutes away. It's literally, I will be there. I could 1 stoplight, 2 stoplight, and I'm here. So I am pulling in right now, and I will see you guys with the final order. Guys, so we picked up the pizza and we're on our way to drop off our final order. It's currently 9:30, so it'll probably be over a 12-hour shift, so that's awesome. I'll let you guys know when we get this dropped off, and I'll have our final total. I won't know it, but I will definitely put it at the end, and I will do our expenses as well. We are about to hit 200 miles. We're gonna be over 200 miles on this shift. That's quite a bit of miles, guys. That's a ton. Probably won't drive a whole lot tomorrow. Just let my car chill out a little bit. But dang, I used a little over a quarter of a tank of gas. Pretty good gas mileage on the night, like 33 in them. So yeah, so that's about it. I'll let you guys know when we get there. So we dropped off that order to Brandon, and I'm gonna call it a night. It is now 9:45, and if you guys remember at the beginning of this video, we started at 9:45 a.m. That is 12 hours. I will have the total amount we made and expenses as well up here once I get this video edited, so you guys can see. I thought overall it was a pretty good day. We made quite a bit of money, I feel like. My body is feeling it. I am a little stiff and tired and hungry, but you know, it is what it is. I thought it was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please hit that big red subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner, because it goes a long way to help me grow this channel, as well as hitting that like button. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment sections. I do respond to every single comment. So thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.